In this video I will show you how to do the swipe trend on TikTok. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. Let's go ahead and open TikTok. For this tutorial I will just use this music. You can use any music that you like. But be sure to know the lyrics of the song. Now tap on photos. Then tap on select multiple. Then select the photos that you want to use, at least 5 or more depending on your music. Then click next. Now we need to type in each picture the lyrics of the song, line per line. In the first picture we will just type the word swipe to give viewer a hint that they need to swipe through the pictures. Now go to the next picture, then type the first line. Then to the next picture. Repeat it up to the last. Then here's the final result. The music is muted to avoid copyright. If you want, you can watch it on TikTok. Just click the link in the description below. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.